At Rockaway Inc., we're more than just a landscaping company. We're your dedicated partner in creating and maintaining stunning outdoor spaces for commercial properties. From full-service maintenance to custom designs and installation, we handle it all with precision and care. Our innovative irrigation management includes Weathermatic smart clocks and controllers, ensuring that your commercial landscape thrives year-round, efficiently and sustainably. For improved efficiency, we use site mapping technology for measurements and estimating associated with your projects. Our team includes experts like a landscape architect, arborist, and entomologist, all working together to keep your commercial space looking its best. We're trusted by some of the most respected names in the area, including Mayo Clinic, Cummer Museum, City of Jacksonville Beach, Atlantic Beach, Neptune Beach, and the St. John's Town Center. We work closely with municipal permitting authorities, HOA landscape committees, and architectural review boards, delivering client satisfaction. At Rockaway, we pride ourselves on stellar communication and a commitment to excellence in everything we do, making us a trusted partner for your property. Let us help you create a landscape that leaves a lasting impression. Rockaway Inc., your full-service landscaping partner for commercial property. Contact us today.